From now on, you'll never cook pasta and chicken any other way. I have a piece of chicken fillet here, and I'm going to cut it into slices like this. Let's transfer the sliced chicken to a bowl and then season with salt to taste, black pepper to taste, and a generous tablespoon of cornstarch. Now mix well. Then add 2 tablespoons of butter to a frying pan. Let the butter melt, and once the butter is melted, add the chicken pieces. Let the chicken fry on one side and then turn it over so that it fries on the other side too. Next, I'll cut a quarter of a cabbage, slicing it very thinly like this. Then I'll slice a quarter of a red bell pepper, green bell pepper, and yellow bell pepper. And yellow bell pepper all in strips. Once that's done, take a carrot and slice it like this. Then we'll cut it into sticks like this. Once everything has been cut, set it aside. Next, put some olive oil in a pan, add half a chopped onion and let it fry. Then add 3 cloves of garlic, also chopped, and let it fry for a minute. At this point, we can add the chopped ingredients. Season with salt and pepper to taste and mix well. Cover and leave to fry for 5 minutes. The next step is to add salt and 200 grams of spaghetti noodles to a pan of hot water. Let it cook for 5 minutes. Back in the pan, add 50 milliliters of soy sauce. In a cup with 200 ml of water, add a tablespoon of cornstarch. Then add it to the ingredients. Stir and cook for 2 minutes. Now the pasta is cooked. Drain the water and add it to the pot. And then we can add it to the pot. Now just mix. Look how perfect it is. Simply delicious. At this point, we can add the chicken we fried and mix the chicken with the noodles. Look how delicious it is. Let me know which recipe you deserve. Now I'm going to serve this pasta, which is spectacular. Look at it, it's mouth-watering. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you in the next video.